Hello to everyone, hope you have a good day. This is Strictly Software, representing about SolidWorks. Here we are going to see about basics of Sketch. Let's get started. The first topic we are going to cover in Sketch is lines. Line can be drawn by keeping 2 points. In SolidWorks there are 3 types of lines. They are line, center line, midpoint line. Center line is nothing but the construction line. Midpoint line is drawing line with the help of midpoint. By selecting 2 free-drawn lines we can get various number of options as we see through the videos, by which they can be horizontal, vertical, columnar, perpendicular, parallel, and equally fixed. The next topic we are going to see is circle. Circle can be drawn in 2 ways. The first way is by the help of midpoint and radius. And the next is by the use of 3 points. That's it. The next topic is about rectangle. There are 5 types of rectangle. The first is by 2 corners. The second is by center in a corner. The third is by plotting 3 points as a corner. The fourth is by plotting 2 corner points and a center point. The fifth is the drawing a parallelogram. That's it, we move forward to next. The next topic is about arc. There are 3 types of arc. Center point arc is by keeping center point and fixing the radius. Tangent arc cannot be drawn individually and needs some other point of a sketch to draw. Three-point arcade is basically drawing arc by the use of 3 points. That's it, we move on to next topic. The next topic is about ellipse. Inside ellipse there are 4 types ellipse. Basic ellipse is generally drawn by planting the maximum and the minimum radius. Partial ellipse is similar to that, but instead it allows us to draw the ellipse up to record only. Parabola is used to draw parabolic figures. And at last conic is used to draw the conic figures. Okay, we can go on to the next topic. The next topic is about slot. The slot are at 4 types. Straight slot. It is drawn from the normal straight line. Center point straight slot. It is similar to the previous, but instead line is drawn by midpoint and an end point. 3-point arcade slot. By drawing normal arc it is drawn. Center point arc slot. Similar to previous but, arc is drawn by selecting the center of the arc's circle. Okay, we can move further to the next topic. The next topic is about polygon. Polygon is drawn by making a construction circle. Constructive polygon can be drawn by selecting construction option. Polygon can be inscribed or circumscribed circle. The next topic is about spline. Spline is a free drawing sketch. Spline in SolidWorks can be drawn in 3 types. 1 by points making spline. Another by making tangent to the lines. Third is completely different, it is drawn by feeding equation to the SolidWorks. Let's move on to next. The last topic is about fillet and chamfer. Fillet can be drawn by feeding the radius, by which the sketch is filleted. And the chamfer is done by giving either single distance or distance or the angle distance. Thank you, students.